Hello guys, this is Charles Swihart with Sugarland PC, and I wanted to show you a really neat product I found. As you know, many of you know, I write a Computer Corner article every month, and this month I wrote it on Android mini PCs. Now you'll also find these with Linux operating systems on them as well, but Android's probably a lot more popular and in many cases more user-friendly. This device costs I bought mine for $47 the other day off of Amazon, and it's a really neat little mini PC that's got an Android operating system built on it. It comes in this nifty box, which I'm only showing you because I thought it kind of reminded me of the cool white Apple boxes that are nicely made that they put all their products in. But it comes with just the little computer and then a power cord, which I've already got plugged into the wall, which has a typical small USB plug on the end of it. And then it comes with an HDMI cable, a short HDMI cable, to connect it to any monitor or television. And so you take this little mini computer and you pull the end cap off of it, and it looks much like a flash drive, except for it has, instead of a USB connector, it has an actual full-size HDMI connector on the end. And then it's got a place on the end, on the other end, where you can plug in into that regular USB port. You can plug in a mouse or a wireless keyboard mouse combination like I'm going to do, and then a small USB for the power. So you take this, and you may or may not need this cord. You might be able to plug this straight in the back of your television or your monitor. In my case, I'm going to use the little cord, and I will hook that up if you hang on just a second. So now I have plugged the computer into the little power cord, and I have put my Microsoft keyboard mouse wireless dongle in the end of it, and I have hooked up the HDMI cable and have actually plugged it into the second port on my 32-inch display on my desk. You can see on the front of my display, it now looks like I've got an Android computer because I've got an Android computer hooked up to this display. You've got a Chrome browser. You've got the typical email application that you'd see on any kind of Android phone. I've added the Dolphin web browser because I like that one. Chrome was already installed. I added the Netflix app so you can stream video. As far as streaming video and getting to websites, much like any other Android device, if you get into the settings on this thing, you can join it to your Wi-Fi. It's got built-in Wi-Fi on the device. You can click down here to see all of the applications you have open. You can go to settings over here, and my mouse is being a little wonky, and get to your Wi-Fi, and mine's connected to my home network. You can play with the display settings and add your Google account, add your Exchange account from your office, all those kinds of things that you would typically do on an Android computer or tablet like the Kindle Fire. This device, like I said, you can get on Amazon right now for $47, and then add a keyboard and mouse to it and any HDMI display. That could be a television. That could be a television in a hotel room if you're traveling, and you can turn those displays into a usable computer that you can get onto Wi-Fi with. Really, really nifty device. My intention is I could use this to travel instead of carrying a big laptop, and then I can put an application on here which would allow me to remote into Windows in my office. In fact, I'll show you that here in a second. So I've loaded a little program called iTap RDP, or iTap Mobile RDP. I already have this app and have used it for a long time on an Apple iPad too. I'm trying it out on the Android device here. I've never used it on my Android phone because the screen's just too small for my liking. But I opened this app up, and I've already configured it to connect to my server at my office. And so I can actually just type in my password here. This is using Microsoft's remote desktop protocol, and I can see Outlook and Facebook and all these kinds of things on here. I can see folders and just everything that I've got in my Windows. I could run my Quicken or QuickBooks. I can open up Microsoft Excel and work on spreadsheets and that sort of thing. So anyway, basically I can use this little Android device then to access a PC computer and work as if I was sitting in front of a normal computer with this less than $100 investment. Anyway, another cool feature on here, of course, that we'd want to touch on is Angry Birds. I think playing Angry Birds with a mouse is a pretty easy way to go. I've loaded that, and nice to have it on a big screen as well. I'm not actually very good at this game, but I know it's the most popular thing out there. And so all the features that you would like to see in an Android device available on this little Android computer for 47 bucks. If you would like to read more of our Computer Corner articles and learn some more tips and tricks, go to our website, sugarlandpc.com, and in the middle of the homepage here, click on Computer Corner, and that'll take you to the Computer Corner articles. This is the one that I wrote on the Android Mini PC. And there are many others here: taming Windows 8, protecting kids on your iPad, using any mobile device as a telephone, just all kind of content here. Or you can call us at 281-494-0894. Thank you.